This video will show you on how to program your Comcast TV remote to your TV. What you should need to do is first you should turn on your TV, then grab your Comcast remote. If you have a newer Xfinity voice remote, press and hold, which is this one right here. Wait, this one. Then you should press and hold the microphone button, this one, and say program remote. After that, follow the on-screen instruction to pair the remote to your TV brand. If you're using a non-voice remote, then press and hold the setup button until the light turns green. So, then enter the TV code of your brand. You can find it online at xfinity.com/remotes. Then the lights should blink twice. Try turning the TV off using the remote to confirm it actually worked. And that's it. Your Comcast remote is now synced with your TV. You're ready to use or control volume and more.